Alert! 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 This is a global alert update. Do not turn off the device this is playing from. If you notice objects in your home that are misplaced, like a toaster placed 90 degrees to the side, or your keys moving places, get out of the premises immediately. However, if your car does one of three things, you must find another way to leave. Firstly, if you hear movement in your garage, or your car moves places on its own.
Leave, leave, leave.
Secondly, if when you open the doors, and the lights do not come on unless you have them set specifically, you are dead. If neither of these two happens, but your car does not react when you start it, then your car is not dead. It is alive. Do not trust metallic objects. If you trust anything without fear, you are dead. Do not listen. Do not listen. Do not listen. If you live in, or near a forest and you have yet to leave, you are dead. If you do not have hope, you are dead. If you do not pray, you are dead. These entities are not benevolent. Attempting to contact them means